Good evening, I'm Nashika, and this is chale.news, your evening digest for Sunday, July 19th. Tonight, Iran strikes U.S. bases in Kuwait, and Ghana's oil supply is now in the crosshairs. Ghana just scored a historic diplomatic win at ECOWAS over the South Africa xenophobia crisis, and Messi drops an emotional message hours before the World Cup final. Let's get into it. 8 consecutive nights of U.S.-Iran strikes, and tonight it escalated. Iran has hit 2 American military bases in Kuwait, the first time Iranian forces have struck Kuwaiti soil directly. American forces had targeted Iranian coastal and air defense positions near the Strait of Hormuz earlier in the day. The U.S. death toll now stands at 16. No ceasefire, no off-ramp visible. And here's the part that matters for us. A significant share of global oil passes through that strait. If shipments get disrupted, Ghana feels it at the pump. Full breakdown on chale.news. Now to Ghana's biggest diplomatic story, and it moved fast today. South Africa formally named Ghana, not Nigeria, not the Ayew, as the country leading the international effort to isolate Pretoria over anti-immigrant violence. Presidential spokesperson Vincent Magwenya called out Ghana's High Commissioner and referenced Foreign Minister Oblakwa by name. Hours later, every single ECOWAS Council of Ministers member unanimously backed Ghana's anti-xenophobia petition to the African Union. Everyone. The unified West African bloc now walks into the Ayew Heads of State Summit together, and fueling all of this, a Congolese boxer, Romeo Bololo Katampa, was reportedly killed after being set on fire in Johannesburg in a suspected xenophobic attack. The pressure on Pretoria is not easing. Full analysis at chale.news. Former NAFCO CEO Hanan Abdul-Wahab has gone straight to the Attorney General. His petition, dated July 17th, accuses ECOWAS and the BNI of sustained harassment, unlawful detention, and torture. His lawyers wrote first on July 9th. Zero response. So now it's formal, and it's on Dr. Dominic Ayeen's desk. Speaking of legal pressure, NPP's Kwarteng went on TV3 to say bail in Ghana has been weaponized. His argument, prosecutors are imposing crushing bail conditions without justification, punishing people before any verdict is delivered. He's not wrong that the debate is real, but it's worth noting this comes as multiple NPP-linked figures are fighting some of the heaviest bail conditions in recent memory. Make of that what you will. Cabinet has approved a GHS 3 billion program to end the double-track SHS system. Education Minister Haruna Idrisu will lay out the details at Monday's Government Accountability Series briefing. Big number, big promise. No funding source disclosed yet, no timeline. Monday will tell us whether this is a plan or just an announcement. Practical heads up, ECG is cutting power from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., 8 hours, across parts of Accra, Ashanti, Tema and Central Region, starting tomorrow, Sunday, July 20th, through Wednesday. Some Accra West communities get hit 3 separate days. Plan accordingly. Full outage schedule on chale.news. This one is alarming. Soldiers allegedly stormed a restaurant in Ayew in the eastern region, fired gunshots, beat staff and customers, confiscated phones. Why? They mistook a routine cleaning exercise for galamsey. The restaurant manager is demanding an investigation. The Ghana Armed Forces has said nothing. Another digital investment platform is in trouble. Creative Walker Promotion Company, CWPC, is trending after investors say they can't withdraw their funds. Some took out loans to put money in. CWPC has not responded publicly. If this sounds familiar, it should. Be careful out there. Hours before Argentina faced Spain in tonight's World Cup final, Lionel Messi posted on Instagram, and it reads like a goodbye. The 39-year-old wrote about cherishing the journey over the trophies. Retirement speculation is everywhere. Whatever happens on that pitch tonight, a lot of people are watching it like it could be the last time. Ghana's Accra Shooting Stars are champions of the 2026 Gothia Cup Boys U18 in Sweden. They beat Ireland's Newbridge Town 2-1. Daniel Opoku scored both goals and was named tournament MVP. Grassroots football doing Ghana proud on a global stage. This one deserves its moment. In Konongo, Ashanti region, chiefs have had enough. They marched onto active galamsey sites carrying eggs and schnapps, invoking traditional curses on illegal miners destroying local water bodies. Prior appeals went unheeded. The warning now: continue mining, face spiritual consequences. When pleas fail, the ancestors get called in. The internet has been on fire over this one. At the funeral of Abu Trika's late sister on July 18th, his aunt publicly begged the corpse, asked her spirit to travel to America and destroy FBI evidence meant for his federal prosecution. It's on video. It has gone very, very viral. And to close on a warm note, Andre Ayew, Jordan Ayew, Mubarak Wakaso, and Leicester City's Abdul Fattah Issahaku showed up unannounced at B Park in Tema Newtown on Saturday for a community match. No press conference, no fanfare, just football and fans lining every inch of that touchline. That's what community looks like. That's your Sunday evening digest. I'm Nashika. Stay informed, stay sharp, and find every full story waiting for you at chale.news. Good night.